Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the potato filter on Snapchat, and then from Snapchat, you can then record a video and then save it to your TikTok or Instagram, whatever social media you would like to. Now, it's very easy to get. You just have to go down to the description or in the comment section down below, and I'll have a link over to the potato filter. Just looks like this. You're going to want to click on Open on Snapchat and then Open, and then just click on Unlock for 48 hours. And then we'll be good to go, and you would then see the filter inside of your Snapchat. You could then record a video just like I am right now. And then, of course, we could save the video just like I am right now. Send it off. And then you can send it to one of your friends, or you could either save it here and then go ahead and bring it over to TikTok or Instagram, whatever social media you would like to, easily just by going over to TikTok or Instagram and then just creating a new video, just like this. Camera roll. Click the video, click on next, and then there we go. Very, very easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to add this to TikTok or Snapchat or any other social media. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.